On our Charger Hellcat, we're going to install the clean side catch can system for, this is actually the driver's side of the Hellcat engine here. So what we do is we utilize a mounting stud that's back here behind the strut tower. We remove the factory nut there. We have removed the oil cap here so that we can remove the cover for the valve cover there. And we are replacing this line going from the air inlet tube down to the valve cover. So Randy's going to take over from here and show you how this kit works.
All right, first we're going to take apart the factory PVC system. Pop here. There's two buttons. Push both of them and it will release. Same thing down here. Do one button on each side. Come right off.
So notice that the factory electronics here on that line in the inlet tube, they are not changed. You're just connecting the hose to this side of that tube.
And this is what's going to come in your kit. It's the can. And there's the bracket.
It's UPR's billet catch can, 4-stage design. Patented system here. Very nice.
We're going to take our bracket and supplied nylock. And we're going to, you get under there, show them the bracket.
Okay, yeah.
This black bracket right here. We're actually going to try to get underneath it.
Let's get a shot of that there. Underneath the factory bracket there with the stud sticking up.
Now you can see it's not perfectly straight. You can just push it over as desired where you want it to be at.
Gotcha.
Then we're going to mount our can.
Okay, so the catch can comes assembled with the bracket that way in the kit, right? And the Allen wrench is in the box?
Yes, comes with all the hardware. Mount it. And when you get the can, it's going to be like this.
Excellent.
The line from the valve cover to the end, it's going to be 90s, two 90s on it. And kind of snake it around the back.
Okay.
Make sure you push your lines down so that way the cover will go right back on.
Gotcha.
The other side is going to take 45-degree fitting on both sides. You have to tuck it back in there. Go in here. And you're on.
245-degree ends, you said, right there, circling around and onto the inlet tube there. All right.
Now with your cover on, There you go.
Beautiful. So now our driver's side is protected with this UPR billet 4-stage catch can. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos of our tech and racing, please hit that subscribe button.